Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting facts. Open the strike notice and record the date, reason, and timestamps so you know exactly what triggered the action. Then download the original file and save related analytics or comments for context and backup. Next, read the cited policy section line by line so you understand the rule. Once done, determine whether the content can be edited to comply or whether you must remove it before preparing your appeal package with clear, documented points. Now focus on corrective action and documentation. If content can be fixed, edit it precisely, blur faces, remove offending clips, or add context and disclaimers to address the specific violation. Document every change with before and after screenshots and note timestamps so reviewers see what you altered. Simultaneously draft a concise appeal summary that outlines the facts, explains why the content complies or how you corrected it, and lists the exact corrective steps you took. Make sure to reference the policy text you saved earlier. Submit your appeal through the platform form, attaching the original file, edited version, screenshots, policy excerpts, and a clear, polite explanation of why the strike should be lifted or how you fixed the issue. Once submitted, monitor your inbox and analytics closely for 72 to 120 hours and be ready to provide additional info. If the appeal is denied, request clarification on the exact policy mismatch, comply with removal if required, or escalate using the platform's official.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.